Hi. Second most important step to do in on-page SEO is to make sure that your title tag and meta descriptions are compelling. Google says that most of its searching users are likely to click on title tag that are relevant to their problem's solution. So you have to make sure that your title is strong enough to convince them to click on your web page. Here's an example of a title tag and meta description. You can see that one has a very good title tag and meta description and other is not so compelling. So in order to make sure that you get higher traffic and higher CTR, you have to write a good title tag and meta description. You can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, Gemini, or any other copywriting tool so it can help you to write a good title and meta description. But do not forget to make sure that your blog post should have a good title and meta description.